We guide you through how to delete everything from any Android phone quickly and safely. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Settings app, scroll down, and tap System or General Management depending on your device. Then select Reset and choose Factory Data Reset. Here, you'll see a summary of all data that will be erased, including apps, photos, accounts, and settings. Before proceeding, make sure you back up important files to Google Drive or any cloud storage, and remove your Google account to avoid FRP lock. Once ready, tap Reset Phone or Erase All Data. Enter your PIN or password to confirm, then tap Delete All. Your phone will restart and begin wiping all data, which may take a few minutes. Once it turns back on, it will be restored to its original factory state, like a brand new device, ready for setup or resale.